All right, moving on over to Meghan Markle. This is a story we haven't talked about in a while, but it's finally come to a conclusion. So a Florida judge terminally dismissed Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit against Meghan. The case was dismissed with prejudice after Samantha failed to produce statements that could support a claim for defamation. In court documents obtained by Entertainment Tonight, United States District Judge in the Middle District of Florida ruled in favor of Meghan, throwing out the case in an order stating the court grants the motion to dismiss in full. Samantha Markle's claims will be dismissed. Surprise! I mean, I feel like we said before that she didn't really have the evidence, even though that she was in her complaint, she was saying that in the book Finding Freedom, the Netflix series Harry and Meghan, that they spoke ill of her. So what do we make of all of this?
Christina, I'm not surprised, and we previously talked about Thomas and Samantha's, cases against Meghan. And when you're looking at defamation, right, it has to be a statement about a person. It's got to be published. It has to be untrue. But really, what we're dealing with here is a statement of opinion. If you have an opinion, that usually can't be defamatory. And here, what we're talking about is Meghan made two statements. That one, she grew up as an only child. Even though she had a half sister, they didn't really have much of a relationship. She hadn't seen her for many, many years. So, the judge said, well, that's her opinion about her childhood and her upbringing. That's not defamatory. And then the other statement was that Samantha changed her last name to basically benefit from Meghan's celebrity status. And again, the judge said, well, that's not enough to be defamatory. The judge gave Samantha an opportunity to amend her lawsuit, really clarify or really specify what was defamatory. And when Samantha was unable to do so, the case was dismissed. Now, if Samantha wants to appeal, she can go to the Court of Appeal, but it doesn't strike me as a strong defamation case, Christina.
Right. Now, this is the third time that she has tried to bring this case forward. Do you feel like she's going to do it again, or is this, 3 strikes, you're out?
I mean, she's out. So this is what we call a demurrer in federal court, which is where this is a 12B6 motion. But it's really a motion to dismiss. And the judge says, even if everything you say is true, as a matter of law, it's not defamation. You don't have a case. It can't go to a jury. So the judge ruled that as a matter of law, Samantha has no case. And the case was dismissed with prejudice, which means it can't be amended. It can't be refiled. So all Samantha can do is appeal if she wants to move forward.
For more news, content, and exclusive interviews, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below and visit usmagazine.com.